Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister of Pakistan.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, faculty and staff, graduates and fellow Pakistanis. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to you all. I stand before you today with a deep sense of pride and humility as we gather to celebrate the achievements of our graduates at this prestigious convocation ceremony of the Institute for Art and Culture, Lahore. It is an honor for me to address the distinguished audience on such a momentous occasion. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the graduates who have toiled tirelessly to reach this pivotal juncture in their lives. This convocation is a testament to your resilience, your commitment to excellence, and your unwavering belief in the power of higher education. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to the faculty and staff of this esteemed institution. Your contributions to the world of education are immeasurable, and today we acknowledge and celebrate your invaluable role in our society. This convocation of IAC is not merely a ceremony, but a reflection of our collective aspiration as citizens of a beautiful country. You carry the responsibility to lead, innovate, and contribute positively to the economic growth and development of our beloved Pakistan. I would like to emphasize the importance of giving back to the communities we reside. As an educated individual, you have a unique responsibility to contribute to the betterment of society. Whether you choose a career in business, science, arts, or public service, be mindful of the less fortunate and strive to create opportunities for those who are less privileged. In doing so, you are not only uplifting others, but also enriching your own lives. In a world characterized by rapid change and uncertainty, education is our greatest weapon. It empowers us to adapt, to question, and to find solutions to the most pressing challenges of our time. It is through education that we foster tolerance, understanding, and a commitment to the ideals of justice and equality in society. The government has undertaken various initiatives to tap into our economic strengths and empower our youth. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, for instance, is a game-changing project that holds the potential to transform our economy. By fostering infrastructure development, energy projects, and trade enhancement, CPEC is facilitating the realization of Pakistan's economic dreams. Additionally, the Digital Pakistan Initiative aims to bridge the digital divide and unleash the potential of the information technology sector. This initiative is paving the way for a knowledge-based economy that can cater to the modern needs of the global market. Today, as we celebrate your achievements, we also look ahead to the challenges and opportunities that lie before you. Pakistan needs your skills, your creativity, and your leadership skills to move the economy forward. We need your passion for innovation, your commitment to social justice, and your determination to make a positive impact on society to fulfill the dreams of Founding Father. Today, I stand before you to discuss Pakistan's economic strengths, the role of our future youth, government initiatives, and global press reports. These aspects collectively shape the narrative of our nation's growth and progress. Pakistan is a nation of immense economic potential. We possess a diverse and resource-rich landscape that offers a variety of investment opportunities. Our agriculture sector, for instance, is the backbone of our economy, contributing significantly to our GDP. Moreover, Pakistan's strategic geographical location as a trade corridor positions us as a key player in the regional and global trade networks. The youth of Pakistan is our most valuable asset. With a big percentage of population predominantly below the age of 30, our nation boasts of a demographic dividend that presents a unique advantage. The young minds of Pakistan are enthusiastic and eager to contribute to the country's development. By providing them with quality education, skill development opportunities, and the right platforms, we can harness their energy and creativity to drive economic growth in the modern era. Moreover, the youth of Pakistan has gained attention due to their contribution in various fields, from technology and entrepreneurship to sports and arts. Their passion and talent is increasingly making headlines worldwide, painting a positive image of our nation all around the globe. We all know that the education sector in Pakistan has played a vital role in driving economic development and shaping the country's future. Investments in education have resulted in a more skilled and knowledgeable workforce, which is a critical asset for any developing economy. Pakistan is a nation of immense economic potential. We possess diverse and resource-rich landscape that offers variety of investment opportunities. Our agriculture sector, for instance, is the backbone of our economy, contributing significantly to our GDP. Moreover, Pakistan's geographical location as a trade corridor positions us as a key player in regional and global trade networks. Furthermore, I encourage you to embrace change and innovation. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by technology and global connectivity. Embrace these changes as opportunities rather than challenges. Be adaptable, be curious, and be willing to learn continuously. The knowledge you have gained here is the foundation upon which you will build a lifetime of learning and growth. The software firms in Pakistan have made substantial contributions to the country's foreign exchange progress. This impressive growth in the IT sector not only helped boost export revenue, but also generated employment opportunities with over 200,000 IT professionals working in the industry. The continuous expansion and success of Pakistan's software industry, as indicated by these statistics, are pivotal factors in the country's positive foreign exchange progress. Let this first convocation be a reminder that you are not alone on this journey. You are part of a larger community of scholars, thinkers, IT professionals, artists, and leaders. You are part of a nation that believes in your potential and stands ready to support your endeavors. Lastly, always cherish the values and culture of Pakistan. Our nation's history, traditions, and diversity are our greatest strengths. As you navigate through the complexities of the world, let your actions reflect the rich tapestry of our heritage. Be ambassadors of peace, tolerance, and unity, for these are the values that will lead our nation toward a brighter future. Carry the lessons you have learned here with pride. And remember that success is not just a destination, but a journey of continuous self-improvement and service to others. In conclusion, I want to leave you with a few words of wisdom. Remember that success is not solely measured by personal accomplishments, but by the positive impact you make on the lives of others. Continue to seek knowledge, remain humble in your pursuit of wisdom, and always uphold the values of integrity, compassion, and respect. As you step out into the world as graduates of the Institute for Art and Culture, Lahore, do so with the confidence that you are well equipped to face the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Go forth and make us proud, for the future of Pakistan is in your capable hands. Congratulations, graduates, parents, and may you all achieve great success in your future endeavors. I thank you.
निगरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म अनवारुल हक काकर तकरीब से